everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I did these eyes, then go and check out my video Makeup plus Medical Talk, where I talk about blood cells, where I actually talk about what is blood, and in that topic I talk about what are blood cells. But here I'm going to play a little bit around with this Fenty Beauty. What even is this? This is Freestyle Highlighter Duo with Mean Honey and Hustler Baby inside of it. I got this for Christmas. I'm going to be using this as my highlighter and also as my inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna scoot you in a little bit closer and let's see how it turns out. So it has a mirror. I don't want to show my setup because it's laughable, to be honest. So this is what it looks like. We have a darker tone that doesn't glitter as much. I'm guessing this is the Mean Money one, and it does, okay, try number 2. So it's a little bit less sparkly, it's less in your face, it's more downstated, so it is pretty nice. And then we also have this really golden one, gold and downstated one. So downstated one was, oh god, I can't tell which one is which. Anyway, this is Hustler Baby, the more glittery one, and I'm going to put it right here. So if they are side by side, you can actually tell there is quite a big of a difference. So let's put them on my face. For the inner corner highlights, I am going to go into this more sparkly one, so the sparkly one, and just going to take it with the brush and go straight into my inner corner. It is nice. It is nice. I will I will tell you guys. I will say that it is nice. So it actually has a mirror, so I'm just going to use the mirror here. So a little bit more into my inner corner like this, and also I'm going to bring it inwards, well, outwards a little bit, and just kind of brush it into my eye makeup. Same thing with the other one. Making sure they are even, because eye makeup should be even. You should at least try. It usually doesn't work out, but at least you tried, So I do like it. So now I actually have a paintbrush. This is like a paintbrush because I'm too cheap to buy an actual highlighter brush that looks like this. So this is my highlighter brush, and I'm first going to go into the less sparkly one. Do I even get something on this? And I'm going to put it on my nose, on my forehead, nose again, and going to take a little bit more and put it on the high points of my cheeks. When the light hits, it seems to be really nice. I'm going to add a little bit more of the really sparkly one, just at the very high points. Oh, that gave a really nice golden glow. I'm pale as a ghost, so I'm not really a golden glow type of person at the moment, but it is nice. It does bring out my cheekbone a lot, which I like. And nose and Cupid's bow. Went back to the darker one. And that is it. Inner corner and cheekbones. So stick around to see what I actually thought of it. I do like it. I like the package. It's very heavy. I like that you get quite a lot. You get 3.5 grams, that is 0.12 ounces of one. So you get 7 grams in total, or 0.24 grams. 0.24 grams in total of this. So it is nice, and I like the mirror. The mirror is really big. So stay tuned for the final result. So this is the full finalized look. What I added some Benefit roller eyeliner. There's a video going to be about that one. I added Better Than Sex Mascara, also another video. And then NARS lip liner, that's the lip product I have, with a little bit of lip gloss on top. So if you want to see how all of this comes to be, watch these product trials. And overall, I really liked the Fenty Beauty one. I think it does shine when I move my face. I hope it does shine. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you again watching something else. So thank you and bye.